Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Redis container with Docker. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install a Redis container with Docker, first, ensure that Docker is installed on your machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Check if Docker is running by typing the command Docker version. If Docker is running, you'll see version details. Next, pull the Redis image from Docker Hub by executing docker pull Redis. This command downloads the latest Redis image. To verify the download, type Docker images. Once confirmed, it's time to run the Redis container. Use the command docker run name myredis d redis. This command creates and starts a new container named myredis. The D flag ensures that it runs in detached mode. Now, to check if the container is running, type docker ps. You should see myredis in the list of running containers. Next, let's access the Redis CLI to interact with the database. Run the command docker execute myredis redis CLI. This will open the Redis command line interface. You can now set data by typing set key value. To retrieve data, use get key. To exit the Redis CLI, simply type exit. To stop the Redis container, use docker stop myredis. If you want to remove the container, type docker rm myredis. This will delete the container from your Docker environment. You have successfully installed and accessed a Redis container using Docker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.